India Financial News. Good evening and welcome to the market wrap-up. Indian equity markets closed higher today, driven by a combination of factors that reassured investors. The Sensex climbed 374 points to close at 78,764, marking a gain of 0.23% for the day. Meanwhile, the Nifty 50 edged up, closing above 24,600 at 24636, representing a modest increase of 0.05%. Easing crude oil prices provided a significant boost, alongside a steady policy stance from the Reserve Bank of India, which kept the repo rate unchanged. Heavyweight banking and energy stocks led the gains, demonstrating resilience in clave sectors. In India, turning now to the government's fiscal policy and infrastructure development. The centre has maintained its focus on capital expenditure in the first quarter of this financial year, despite ongoing global trade disruptions and geopolitical uncertainty. This commitment to public investment in productive assets is a cornerstone of India's economic strategy, with economists highlighting the significant multiplier effect it generates compared to revenue spending. While specific figures for Q1 capex aren't immediately available, the continued push signals a determination to drive crecimiento through infrastructure projects. Across the Indian economy, let's move on to currency markets. The Indian rupee opened flat today, trading at 95.13 against the US dollar. This stability was supported by a weakening US dollar and relatively stable Brent crude prices, offering some respite from recent volatility. Despite briefly dipping to 95.25 earlier in the session, the rupee has recovered nearly 1.7% from its recent lows. The Reserve Bank of India's steady monetary policy stance also contributed to this stability, reassuring investors about currency management.